How to box a human touch Super Novo X using a universal box. To get started, power off the chair. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstered flap from the backrest pad. Pry the retaining clip off each mounting post by pulling outward on the tongue, then pulling upward. If there is a black plastic spacer installed on the mounting post, remove and discard it. Slide the massager to the left off the mounting post, then to the right off the other mounting post, then rest it on the floor in front of the chair. Disconnect the air hose and electrical connector. Reinstall the two retaining clips onto the mounting posts. Using the pry tool that comes with the chair, pry the 4 door panels off the chair. Power on the chair, power on the remote, then use the back down button to fully recline the chair. Use the legs down button to lower the footrest actuator as far as it will go. Power off the chair, then unplug it. Place the remote inside the right-hand arm well. Place a blanket on the floor on the right-hand side of the chair, then tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Place the box tray against the chair base, tucking the edge of the box under the chair. Place the pallet against the box tray. Tip the chair and box tray onto the pallet, then center the chair in the box tray. Place the power cord and the pry tool in the left-hand arm well. Position the 2 lower door panels with the posts facing each other, then place them in the bubble wrap bag. Place the bag on the chair seat. Position the 2 upper door panels with the posts facing each other, then add them to the bubble wrap bag. Place the foot and calf massager on the box tray with the massage wells facing the chair. Place the small cardboard wedge with the foam facing the backrest. Place the medium cardboard wedge against the backrest with the flat side to the rear. Cover the chair and packaging with the plastic bag, tucking the bag inside the box tray. Cover the chair with the box lid, tucking the lid inside the tray. Use a box cutter to cut the tape that seals the box lid. Open the box lid. Place a long cardboard wedge in each corner, with the smallest side of the wedge facing the end of the box. Place the use and care manual on top of the chair. Place the cardboard panel, then close the short box flaps, followed by the longer flaps. Tape the top box seam, followed by the end seams. Unpack a box strap, then slide it under the end of the box. Slide the strap to roughly a foot from the end of the box. Holding the fastener in one hand, fold the other side of the strap backward onto itself. Feed the fold through the fastener, open the fold, then bend the fastener tab through the fold. Pull the strap until the box is tightly secured. Strap the other end of the box. And you're done.